एनर्जी. गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. और एनर्जी लाइए. Yes, like this. So, as you know, that we have 3 days summer camp. Today is the first day. Are you all prepared for that? We begin our summer camp with national anthem, and after that we will have a energizer. ठीक है? So let's start national anthem, and then after you will all energize yourself with both Sejal ma'am. Okay?
Attention! 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 Recite the national anthem. Please let's the item start.